Assalamu alaikum students, how are you all? Hope you are fine. Today we are going to discuss class 7 mathematics chapter decimals, and we are going to study its unit 6, which is multi-steps problems involving whole and decimal numbers. So in this unit we are going to solve some multi-steps problems involving whole and decimal numbers. So let us begin with the learning outcome of this unit. At the end of this unit, you will be able to solve multi-step word problems involving whole numbers and decimals. First of all, we should know what are multi-step problems. Multi-step word problems are math problems that require multiple calculation to solve them. Means in multi-step problems we are going to perform 2 or more calculation to get the answer. They will involve more than one operation and often more than one strand from the curriculum. How to teach multi-step problems? Whenever you want to solve a multi-step word problems, you have to follow these steps. First of all, you have to read and visualize. Suppose a very easy and basic problem is given here, so I am going to read it and visualize it. So the problem is the monkeys picked 12 bananas. They ate 5, then they picked 3 more. How many bananas do they have now? After reading and visualizing the problem, you have to follow step number 2, which is write an answer statement. So you have to write the statement like this: the monkey have dash bananas. Then number 3, write a number sentence. 12 means total bananas picked by the monkeys were 12, then they ate 5, and after this they have picked 3 more. So you have to find the total number of bananas monkeys have now. Now the step number 4 is chunk and solve. You have to solve them. Here you can see we are having 2 operations, subtraction and addition. So first of all we will subtract them. 12 minus 5, 7, and then we add 3 with 7. 7 plus 3, 10. This problem consists of only 2 operations, which is subtraction and addition. But the problem may have more than 2 operations. So let's check. Question number 1. Mara is in a bookshop. She buys one book for pound 6.99 and another that costs pound 3.40 more than the first book. She pays using a pound 20 notes. What change does Mara get? So first of all, after looking at the question, what do you already know? More than. Here you can see the term more than is used. More than means we have to add. Using decimal means I will have to line up the decimal point correctly in calculation. Here 2 decimal numbers are used here and here. Means if you want to add or subtract them, we have to line up the decimal numbers. Change from money, where the term change is used. Here this change from money means we have to subtract. So after looking at the question, we already know that more than means we have to add here. Using decimal means we have to line up the decimal point correctly, and change means we have to subtract in the end. Now the same question by using the pictorial representation. How can this problem be represented pictorially? See this example of bar modeling for this question. Here you can see the cost of book 1 was pound 6.99 and the book 2 cost was pound 3.40, greater than the first book. So the cost of the first book was 6.99 and वो कितनी greater थी? It was greater 3.40 pound. We have to add them. Then after adding them, we will add the price of all the 3 books, and then we will find the change. What change does Mara get? Now how to answer step by step. We will learn how to give the answer step by step. Mara is in a bookshop. She buys one book for pound 6.99 and another that costs pound 3.40 more than the first book. Means the cost of the first book was 6.99 pounds and the second book cost means the second book cost was 3.40 more than the first book. तो फर्स्ट बुक की प्राइस क्या थी 6.99 और जो सेकंड बुक थी वो कितने पाउंड ज़्यादा थी फर्स्ट बुक से 3.40. So we'll add them. After adding them we have got pound 17.38. So this is the total cost of both the books. She pays using pound 20 note. So how to find the change? What change does Mara get? We will simply subtract 17.38 pound from 20 pounds like this. 20 pound minus 17.38 pound equals to 2.62. So Mara will get 2.62 pound change. So how many operations we have used in this question? We have added the decimal point. We have also added the cost of the two books, as well as in order to find change we have subtracted the values here. So total 3 operations we have used in this question. Now question number 2. At the school cafeteria, Jasmine purchased food for herself and 3 of her friends. Altogether, she purchased 3 hot dogs, 1 order of nuggets, 2 burgers, a pizza slice and 2 milks. If Jasmine gave the cashier $20, how many change did Jasmine receive back? तो जैस्मीन थी वो स्कूल के कैफेटेरिया में गई, उसने अपने लिए भी फूड परचेज़ किया और अपने 3 फ्रेंड्स के लिए भी. तो डिफरेंट फूड आइटम्स से तो उसमें से उन्होंने परचेज़ किया 3 हॉट डॉग्स, 1 नगेट्स का ऑर्डर, 2 बर्गर, 1 पिज़्ज़ा स्लाइस और 2 मिल्क्स. इसके बाद क्वेश्चन में आगे बताया गया है कि अगर जैस्मीन ने कैशियर को $20 दिए तो उसको कितना चेंज मिला. Here the menu or the prices of different food item are also given here. Hot dog price is $1.75, burger cost is $2.25, chicken nuggets cost is $2.45, pizza slice cost is $3 and milk cost is half dollar or you can say $0.50. Now let's start its solution. First of all, we will find the cost of 3 hot dogs. So we know that the cost of 1 hot dog is 1.75. So we have to find the cost of 3 hot dogs. In order to do this, first of all, we will multiply. So 1.75 multiplied by 3. 3 5s are 15. We write 5 here. And put 1 carry here. 3 7s are 21. 21 plus 1, 22, like 2 here and put 2 carry here. 3 ones are 3, 3 plus 2, 5. Here you can see from the right hand side we have a 2 digit after the decimal point, so we'll put the decimal point after 2 digit from the right hand side. So 5.25 is the cost of 3 hot dogs. We have found the price of 3 hot dogs. As we know, the order of nuggets is equals to 2.45. Now we have to find the cost of 2 burgers. So let's find out the cost of 2 burgers. As we know that 1 burger is of $2.25. So we'll multiply it by 2 to get the cost of 2 burgers. 2 5s are 10, 0 and 1 carry here. 2 2s are 4 plus 1 5. 2 2s are 4. So after we can say after the decimal point we have 2 digits if we look from the right hand side, so we'll put the 0 after 2 digits from the right hand side. The cost of 2 burgers are $4.50. Now a pizza slice, we know the cost of pizza slice which is equals to 3. Now last we have to find the cost of 2 milks. So the cost of 2 milks are 0.50 multiplied by 2. 2 zeros are 0. 2 5s are 10. We'll write 0 here and put 1 carry here. 2 zeros are 0, 0 plus 1, 1. So we'll put the decimal point after 2 digit here. So the cost of 2 milks is $1. Now what we will do next, we have found the cost of these items. Now we'll find out the total cost of all the food items. Like this. 5.25 was the cost of 3 hot dogs. 2.45 was the cost of the chicken nuggets. 4.50 was the cost of 2 burgers. 3.00 is the cost of pizza slice, and 1.00 is the cost of milk. So 16.20 is the cost of all the food items. How we have gotten 16.20 here? 5 plus 5, 0, 1 carry 10. Now we'll add them. 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 4, 7, 7 plus 5, 12. We write 2 here and put 1 carry here. Then we put the decimal point below the decimal point. Now we'll add them. 5 plus 1, 6, 6 plus 2, 8, 8 plus 4, 12, 12 plus 3, 15, 15 plus 1, 16. So the total cost of food items are 16.20. Now we will find out the change Jasmine received back. We will subtract 16.20 from 20.00. Now we'll subtract. After subtracting, we will get 3.80. How we have subtracted here? 0 minus 0, 0. We cannot subtract 2 from 0. So we'll borrow 1 from 2. It will become 1 and it will become 10. Now after we will borrow one more time, it will become 9 and it will become 10. 10 minus 2, 8. 9 minus 6, 3. And 1 minus 1, 0. So here in this question we have used 3 operations. 3 operations. Can you solve this multi-step problem? Here the question is, Calvin paints pictures and sells them at art shows. He charges $56.25 for a large painting. He charges $25.80 for a small painting. Last month he sold 6 large paintings and 3 small paintings. So how much did he make in all? Good luck and thank you.